It seems like week after week when I'm describing a rod for a technique that I like to cast jigs with, or to cast blade baits or shiver minnows or whatever I'm trying to cast, it depends on the bait. But I'm picking the same rod. This is a Johnny Morris Platinum Series rod. You could use any brand that you like, I guess. That wouldn't be a problem, but you want to pick one that's a medium to a fast action. So medium light. This one is called medium, but it's a fast action, which gives you a flexible tip. I like the fact that you can dial in on the butt end of the rod the pound test of the line, so you always know what line you have on there. You couple that with a smaller reel, a size 15 or 20 size reel, for sure. Not anything really much bigger than that. And then I like to use 10-pound fire line for this situation. And depending on how much debris we have on the bottom, in this case we have a fair amount of wood, I've gone with a 15-pound fluorocarbon. You can get by with as light as 10-pound test. So it's a nice setup. Again, I use it for a lot of different presentations other than real light jigs, and it's just an overall fantastic rod for what we're trying to do today.